हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का। फाइनली यहाँ पे एक पोस्ट है बाय द फॉर्म ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर्स एक्टिविस्ट एंड एसोसिएट्स ऑफ AIB RWA प्रयाग। डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी, सेक्रेटरी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। रिस्पेक्टेड डॉक्टर जोशी जी, regarding pension revision on Reserve Bank of India line. Provision is to be made in the pension regulations to provide for periodic updation of pension along with wage revision settlement. उसी को यहाँ पे लिखा गया है. We have less knowledge of English, hence we got translated the English version into Hindi to properly understand the underlying spirit on which the above understandings has been reached in the joint note dated 8th March 24. We understand it's very clear and positive with the intention of bringing a close and well structured solution for all the times. From above understandings are very clear intentions flows out that there has to be provision in the pension regulations for periodic updation of pension along with the pay revision settlement. Further, we believe that whatever settlement joint notes have been signed regarding the revision in pay and services conditions of the officer employees and in residual issues would have been sent to you for pursual and further action. We would like to request you that on the basis of said understandings, prior approval to the banks to insert a clause providing for periodic pension updation along with the pay revision settlement in the pension regulations may please be given by your good offices. On the RBI line, there is no need for further negotiations in this regard. The terms of updation as decided in RBI may have to be extended in this case, as it has to be on the RBI lines in terms of settlement dated 29th October 1993 under ID Act. Bank pensioners look to you for due cognizance of their plight and necessary steps from you to resolve their pension updation never done so far. Respectful regards, Mr. GN Shukla जी. यहाँ पे पेंशन अपडेशन ऑन रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया लाइन्स अगर हो जाए उसके बाद बैंक पेंशनर्स को कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए.